In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in an email using Gmail. This is a straightforward process, as Gmail conveniently offers built-in options for this task, so no external applications are needed. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to customize the appearance of your emails with different fonts. To begin, open Gmail and start by clicking the Compose button, which you'll find on the left-hand side of your screen. This will open up a new message window for you to compose your email. You'll notice that this window has its own toolbar located right below where you start typing your email. This toolbar is filled with a variety of formatting tools designed to make your email look just the way you want it. Now, to change the font, look for the letter A icon on this toolbar. This is the icon you'll click to reveal more formatting options, including your font settings. Clicking this stylish A brings up a small menu where different formatting tools, designed to enhance the appearance of your text, are displayed. Among these options, you'll see the current font that's being used. Click on this font text and you'll be presented with a list of several different fonts you can choose from. This provides you with a selection variety, making it easy to find something that suits the tone or style of your email. Once the list is open, simply browse through the options. You might see familiar names like Arial, Georgia, or Times New Roman, and each choice offers a unique feel and readability. When you find a font that you like and that fits the message you're crafting, all you have to do is click on it. With just one click, the font you picked is applied to your email, allowing your message to stand out or convey the mood you intend. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the font in your Gmail email. By following these steps, you can ensure your emails are not only informative, but also visually engaging. Remember, while changing fonts can add a nice personal touch to your emails, it's also important to keep readability in mind. Select fonts that complement the content of your message without overshadowing it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it useful and straightforward. Feel free to try it out the next time you're sending an email, and do not hesitate to explore other formatting options in Gmail to further customize your emails. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more tips on optimizing your online communication tools, make sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.